Hello and welcome to DrMummyCakes channel. This video is great for home bakers who want to use fondant for decorating a cake or making fondant figures. The important thing when using fondant is you need to prepare the fondant. That way it is stretchy and pliable. You prepare your fondant by kneading the fondant. When you take the fondant out of the packet, you'll see that it's quite hard and not stretchy. Kneading is working the fondant. As you can see here, I'm using the heel of my palm and just stretching it and folding it and just kneading it. And then you can see it's become a lot more stretchy. So you want to do this quite significantly until you find that your fondant is now very soft and pliable. At the end of kneading, you will feel that your hands have had a good workout. This is a very important step when working with fondant. You need to prepare your fondant so that it's stretchy and it's pliable, and that way when you're decorating, covering your cake, the fondant won't tear or break. And also if you want to make fondant figures, this is a very important step. So here you can see this is the fondant that I've worked. Look how soft and stretchy it is compared to when we first started off. You want to keep doing this until you're happy that when you pull the fondant, it doesn't tear or crack easily. I'm going to show you fondant that I've just taken straight from the packet and compare with the kneaded fondant. So look at that, you pull it and instantly it breaks up. This is not soft, this is not pliable compared to this. Look at that gorgeous, beautiful stretch on that. So that's why you need to knead your fondant before you start. I hope that you found this video useful, and I think that this will help you when you start working with fondants. Don't forget to like this video and give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Every Wednesday I release a new cake decorating or cake recipe tutorials, and with Dr. Mummy's Cakes tutorials you'll be making great cakes that look and taste amazing in no time. Thank you and see you next time.